What are the latest technology achievements of Access?
2015 was a very good year for us in regards of the new technologies that we launched on the market. For us, it takes a little bit of time in order to be sure that the technology is ready to be available on the market. So we're actually developing things, and when we're ready, we're just launching them. And for 2015, we had in consideration several aspects. Most of the important thing that it's considered when you're having a surveillance solution is the cost associated with the storage. So when you have a surveillance system, the storage can be the biggest part in money-wise. I mean, price per gig or something like that. So we need to have something in order to reduce the level of storage needs for the camera. So in these regards, we have launched the ZipStream technology, which is actually an algorithm based on H.264 compression technique. And in this way, we're actually getting even less amount of information being sent to the storage, being sent through the network directly from the camera. So just to have a number behind, we say that we achieved roughly 50-60% in the reduction of storage needs, of course, depending on the complexity of the scene. So ZipStream is something very important. And then another thing that I would like to mention is we take very seriously the image usability. So when you actually have a camera, you need to be sure that you're getting what is important from the scenario. So you need level of detail, you need image in very tough environment. So our biggest enemy is the light, either too big light or big amount of light or less amount of light. This can cause a bad image. So in this regard, we have launched WDR, wide dynamic range forensic capture, which will give you great image and great level of detail no matter what. And another thing that I would like to mention, it's something very nice and very, we call it the dog shake, because it's actually a new concept of dome camera, a PTZ camera. It's called Sharp Dome. And we actually took in consideration the fact that you have raining, okay? So maybe you have a rainy environment, and the surface of the camera will be covered in, water drops. And you need to have water image as well as in this scenario. So the camera actually will shake when it will have the possibility to detect water on it. So it will shake like this, and it will get the water out of the camera. That's one aspect, but also the other aspect. When you have the horizontal line, and you see at the horizontal line, you'll have a problem going above that line. So with the speed dome with the Sharp Dome technology, you can see 20 degrees above the horizon. So if you have like firefighters and stuff, and they want to look above the building, then it's no problem for them to use the speed domes. So those is regards of technology.
Speaking about 2015, what kind of new products have you launched this year?
Of course, having in mind the new technology, we had to apply it to products. So the first product that comes to my mind, which is very widely spreaded and with a great ratio for price per performance, I would like to mention the M1124 and M1125, both indoor and outdoor environment. So the camera is very compact, and it benefits from WDR forensic capture, it benefits from ZipStream technology, and offers this with very great level of detail. Then when you're going upper level on the P-line cameras, we had a P1365, both the indoor and outdoor environment that was launched. And this camera actually, once again, it offers great level of detail, having all the new technology in it. In the speed-on part, we have the Q61, which implements the Sharp Dome technology. So in this way, we have the camera shaking and doing like a dog in the Q61 series. In regards of the new products, I would like to mention also some new business that we approached. And by this, I would like to mention the horn speaker. We have the C3003, which is actually full IP horn speaker powered by PoE, which has really good quality of sound, but also the fact that it tests itself. So in case there's something wrong with the horn, because maybe you have some bees there or something like that, you just hit the test button, and then the horn will reply to you, yes, I'm fully functional, or I'm not. Yeah.
Okay. The IP video system world is very knowledge intensive. how can you help the IT professionals to better understand the technology and all the things behind it?
In these regards, we take things very seriously. Once again, it's very important to send the knowledge to the market. So if I would like to put it like that, I will start by saying that we really have very robust manuals. So everything that you need, you will find it in the user manual, in a user guide. It's very important. And also, when you're taking this to the next level, you have always a button in a product, which is a question mark help button. In Axis, if you click on it, you will see the support. You will find the possibility to have all the needed information in each submenu of the camera. And then, because we need to share those information with the customers, we have different means. Either we have the video section on the website, which is great. I mean, there are videos for everything. Videos to learn how to use that tool, and how to operate the camera, how to install the camera. Also, we have a new concept called 60 seconds, and it's very, very nice because in 60 seconds we have to present the technology. So it's a 60-second video in which we have to send the knowledge right away. And it's nice because if you're looking at the video and you know a little bit about technology, you will be amazed at the end of the video, how was it possible for me to understand so many things only in 60 seconds? So that's another concept. But the most important thing, and we have it for a long time, is the Axis Academy. The Axis Academy is the classroom training that we have with all our partners, and it's the way we're sharing the knowledge in a classroom environment in which everyone is focused on the content, and in this way, at the end of the session, they will go home with a lot of knowledge about the products, about technology, about how to use different tools. And the last but not least are the webinars. Not always is possible to go and having 2 days event in order to have the training, and you have only 1 hour of, let's say, self-study environment. So then you go on the webpage, you just access the webinar, and this way you learn new stuff.